10 until tomorrow morning. Impacts at 11.0 feet. Flooding begins into adjacent open fields. At 13.3 feet, Delaware Route 7, Stanton Christiana Road, begins to flood. At 13.5 feet, businesses on Delaware Route 7 begin to flood. At 17.0 feet, Paper Mill Road begins to flood. Additional details at 5:15 p.m. Thursday, the stage with 10.0 feet. Forecast: the river is expected to rise above flood stage this evening to a crest of 16.0 feet late this evening. It will then fall below flood stage just after midnight tonight. Flood stage is 13.0 feet. Flood history: this crest compares to a previous crest of 16.1 feet on August 23, 1933. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood begins to flood. Additional details at 5:50 p.m. Thursday, the stage with 10.0 feet.
As a Marvel product, we deliver more than energy. We deliver tools and programs to help you save energy and money and offer flexible payment plans, help finding energy assistance programs so you get more peace of mind, and cleaner energy solutions so you can look forward to a more sustainable future. We deliver more so we can power the pathway to cleaner, affordable, and resilient energy for everyone. Learn more at delmarva.com.